Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 16, 2022. 4-star Sudoku. Column H, column I, we have pair numbers 6 and 2. So 6 and 2 can't come the cells. It will come in with the 2 cells. 9th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column B, column D, we have 2. 9th row also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we have 4. 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 9th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 4, 8. 10th row, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in other 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 7. 7th row, we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Tenth row, 9th row, we have 6. 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 10th row, column C, we have 8. 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, 7th row, we have 1. 1 can't come these cells. 1 will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, column D, we have 8. 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Second row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column C, third row, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come this cell. It will come in the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then first grade, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column G, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column D, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 7th row, 5th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. And 5 is confirmed here. Second row, third row, we have 5. Column I also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column I, third row, we have 9. 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 8. 6th grade, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. we will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. It will come in with 2 cells. 5th row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column J, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Fourth row and second row, column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Second row and third row, column E, column F, we have 7. 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Fifth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Fifth row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Seventh row, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in any one of 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row, we have 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in 2 cells. Column F, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Second grade, 3 will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Fourth row, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Third grade, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Third row, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. It will come in the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Ninth grade, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Since 1 is here, so 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Fifth grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column B, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column G, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column E, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.